So, last time, pag-discuss tayo ng reagent preparation. Ngayon ay dilution naman tayo. Dilution is a process of decreasing the concentration of a solution by adding solvent or diluent. Solvent or diluent. Yung solvent, ito yung component siya ng solution in which the solute is dissolved. No? Ito yung pang-tunaw ng solute. Ang diluent, substance siya added to another to make it thinner. Pampalabnaw, pang less concentration. Baga, pampatabang concentration. Yung dilution basically, yung amount ng solute remains the same. Yung solute, parehas lang. Pero yung total volume ng solution, increases. No? Total volume increases. Yung solute stays the same or unchanged. Tapos yung concentration, decrease. Ulit, total volume dumami. Solute, hindi nagbago o hindi na nagdagan. No? Concentration, mas tumabang. So, decrease. Ngayon, meron tayo dilution formula. Dilution formula. C1B1 equals C2B2. Lagi ko naman sinasabi sa inyo, there is always a formula, no? Lalo na sa computation. No? So, wag matakot. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng C1? C1 is the original concentration or initial concentration. B1 is the initial volume or original volume. C2 is the final concentration. Tapos B2 is the final volume. So, tandaan, no? C1B1 equals C2B2. Alright? Ngayon, gawa naman tayo ng sample problem. A 25 ml sample of a solution is diluted to 100 ml. The final concentration is 0.50 molar. What was the initial concentration? Ulit yung hinahanap, initial concentration, C1. So, yung C1, lagyan natin siya ng question mark para alam natin kung anong hinahanap natin. Volume 1. Ano yung volume 1 o initial volume? Initial volume natin is 25 ml sample. Yung C2 natin is 0.50 molar. 0.50 B2. Ano yung B2 natin is the 100 ml. 100 ml. Ayusin muna natin yung ating formula. So, nawawala is si C1. So, tatanggalin natin kasama ni C1 by dividing sa kasama niya, si B1. So, cancel. Ang mangyayari dyan, C1 equals C2 B2 over B1. C1 equals 0.50 molar. Multiply mo siya sa 100 ml over 25 ml. So, cancel mo yan. Tapos, gamit tayo ng calculator. 0.50 multiply mo siya sa 100 ml equals 50. 50 divide mo ngayon siya sa 25. 50 divide 25 equals 2. C1 is 2 molar. C1 natin is 2 molar. Ito ang sagot. Alright. Ang tanong dito, a 20 ml sample of 4.0 molar sodium chloride is diluted to 80 ml. What is the final concentration? Mula sa tanong pa lang, may hinahanap na yung final concentration. Ano ulit ang formula? C1B1 equals C2B2. Alin dito yung final concentration? Yung C2 ang hinahanap. C2, question mark. Yung C1, ano yung C1 dito? Initial concentration, no? 4.0 molar. Tapos, B1 is initial volume is 20 ml. B2, our final volume is 80 ml. 80 ml. Ayusin natin yung formula. Yung C1, B1 equals C2, B2, kailangan mo ilabas si C2 by dividing yung kasama niya. Cancel, hanggang mo dito. Rewrite mo C1, B1 over B2. C2 equals, ipasok mo na 4.0 molar, times mo siya sa B1 is 20 ml over B2 is 80 ml. Cancel mo yan, ml, no? Maka-cancel out yun, no? Pasok mo ngayon sa iyong calculate 4.0, multiply mo siya sa 20 equals 80. 80 over 80 equals 1. So 1 molar. 1.0 molar pwede rin. C2 equals 1.0 molar. Ayan ang iyong sagot. Next naman natin, ano ko yung pad. So dito, challenge number 3, how many ml of 6.0 molar hydrochloric acid are needed to prepare 250 ml of 1.5 molar hydrochloric acid? So, formula natin, C1B1 equals C2B2. Analyze muna natin yung tanong. May hinanap daw no, how many ml? So, ml, volume. So, of 6.0 molar hydrochloric acid. So, magkaka-idea na tayo kung ano yung hinahanap. So, are needed to prepare 250 ml. Ito yung final volume. Tapos, ito yung final concentration. So, sulat natin. C1, initial concentration is 6.0 molar. Tapos, yung B1, yung nawawala. C2, ano yung C2? Is 1.5 molar. Tapos, ating B2 is the final volume is 250 ml. Ayusin na muna natin yung formula ng C1, B1 equals C2, B2. Yung B1, tanggalin muna natin kasama ni B1 by dividing the C1. Cancel mo yan, no? B1 equals C2, B2 over C1. So, B1, C2 natin is 1.5. Tapos, B2 natin is 250 over C1 natin is 6.0. No? Pasok mo yan sa calculator mo. 1.5, multiply mo siya sa 250 equals 375. Divide mo yun siya sa 6.0. Sagot mo dyan is 62.5 ml. No? Yan ang B1 mo. Alright.